Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you what is the difference between hint and text. Let's see it. This is hint. This is a hint. This is a hint. When you click on this, it will remove. Let's make something in text. We're gonna remove this and we add some text. Let's see it. Yes, when you click on the text, it will not remove. And you have to remove this, and after that you have to write whatever you want. But when you use hint, when you click on it, it will remove it automatically. Thanks for your attention. This was the difference between text and hint. Thanks for your attention, guys.